Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the Unit 1 supplementary reader, The Envious Neighbor. It is a Japanese folk tale. Tale means story. Up to 8th standard, you learn identify the character, speaker, and the mind map, and the supplementary reader comprehension. But the 10th standard and the 9th standard, the supplementary reader is very essential. If you do not know the story, it's too difficult to. It will be difficult to appropriate the right answer. Understand? That is the reason you should listen to the story word by word, sentence by sentence. Understand, children? Listen carefully, dears. It is a Japanese folk tale. It is a classical story. This story which is highlighted the classical cultural aspects of important cultural aspects of Japan. Understand? And how many in today's teaching points? How many characters are involved in this story? Three characters. Three characters means two couple, another character. Dog. Generous old couple. Generous couple means generous old man and his wife. Stingy old man and his wife. Envious meaning jealous. Envious meaning jealous. Let us know who jealous at whom. Who jealous at whom. And what happened to them? What happened to them? Dog is an important vital role in the story. But unfortunately, the dog was killed by someone else. Everything is learned in this story, and let us learn why was the dog killed by someone else. These things are learned in the supplementary reader. Before going to learn the theme of the story, we should learn the meaning of the words in this story, because these words are helpful to appropriate the right answers in the scenarios and the antonyms word. That is the reason I should give more importance to learn the meaning of the words. Understand, children? First word, violently, as well as you have to refer the book back. Such words are highlighted words in your textbook. These words are referred in your textbook. Simultaneously, I have to explain the meaning of the words while teaching. Listen carefully. Violently, forceful, digging, cultivate or tilling, Tilling, tilling. After the rain, usually the farmers are tilling their lands. And the next one, behold, see or view, precious, expensive, treasure, riches, alms, charity, offering. Understand, kana? Charity, offering. Without fail, you have to appropriate the answers, meaning of the words in the textbooks, children. Listen. Second one, dwelt, D-W-E-L-T, lived or reside. And the next one, stingy couple, miser, borrowed, carried off, feast. Actually, the feast word, it is a large meal probably which is given to the celebrities for celebrating their success in feast. Banquet. And the next one, dainties, sweet meal plural form, meal, not meals form, sweet meal. Get cross, irritation or annoyance, And the next one, vain means waste or useless. Vain means waste or useless. And utter smell, inhale. And the next one, nasty apple, N-A-S-T-Y, nasty, O-F-F-A-L, nasty apple, nasty apple. Waste part, waste parts of the, waste parts of the animal. Killed for food, killed for food, killed for food. Ferocious, F-U-R-O-U, yes, ferocious, ragging. Wicked, wicked, immoral, wicked, immoral. Seized, 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 grabbed, seized, grabbed. And the next one, listen carefully children. Heavy heart meaning aching heart or broken heart, aching heart or broken heart. And the next one, delicate food meaning dainty food, delicate food meaning dainty food. And the next one, ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground word is there, it is not a playground. Ground means grind past form, G-R-A-N-D, grind past form, ground. In this place, crushed, what is the meaning? C-R-U-S-H-E-D, crushed. And the next one, filthy is a filthy water, filthy means dirt. And the next one, fit of rage meaning angry, Do you all understand the meaning of the words, children? Let us learn the theme of the story. Listen carefully, dears.
The Envious Neighbor, a Japanese folk tale. Warm up. We are asked to do the warm up. There are 3 questions. Discuss the followings. Just add the yes because 3 questions are given in the warm up. Ratan Tata and Azim Premji are a few rich people of India who spend a part of their wealth on charity. What influences them to share and care for others? Ratan Tata, Azim Premji are rich people of India. They are willing to take care of the needy people. They are willing to take care of the suffering people, and they are willing to spend a part of their wealth on charity. Second question. Think of any undesirable quality that you would like to get rid of and discuss it with your friends. Yeah, you are asked to discuss with your friends if you have any undesirable quality. Do you like pets? Why? Yeah, somebody likes pets. Somebody does not like pets. If you like pets, you have to write why do you like pets. Let us go to learn the lesson. Listen carefully, children. Now read the Japanese folk tale about 2 neighbors and how their character changed their lives. Now we are going to read the Japanese folk tale story. Understand? The lesson which describes the 2 neighbors. Their characters, behaviors, attitudes were unique. Due to unique characters, their lives had been changed. Let us learn what kind of characters changed their lifestyle. Understand? Let us go to learn the first paragraph. In the old days, there lived an honest man with his wife who had a pet dog, which they used to feed with fish and tidbit from their own kitchen. Yeah, once upon a time, a long ago, there was an old man. He lived with his wife. They had a pet dog. The honest old couple used to feed the dog fish and tidbit. Probably they prepared fish and tidbit from their own kitchen. Those dishes were their own preparation. Do you all understand, children? Let us learn the next point. One day, as the old folks went out to work in their garden, the dog went with them and began playing about. All of a sudden, the dog stopped short and began to bark, bow, wow, wow, wagging his tail violently. Understand? One day the old folks had a work in the garden, so they went to do the work in the garden when their pet dog also went along with them. And the dog started playing. In no time at all, the dog stopped playing. The dog stopped playing for a while and started barking by wagging its tail. By the means, the dog wagged its tail front and back at a high speed. Do you all understand, children? Do you all understand the meaning of the first paragraph? Understand? Who lived once upon a time, long ago, in the old days, an honest old man with his wife. Honest old man lived with his wife. They looked after the pet dog. They had a pet dog. Understand, Kana? They prepared the tidbit from their own kitchen to feed the dog. Let us continue to learn the next paragraph. The old people thought that there must be something nice to eat under the ground, so they brought a spade and began digging. When lo and behold, the old couple thought themselves, the dog happened to find the tasty food under the ground. So the dog barked at the particular area. On seeing the barking dog, the old couple guessed themselves the dog happened to find the tasty food under the ground. So they brought a spade and began digging. When lo and behold, so they brought the instrument spade to dig the spot where the dog had to be barked. Understand? They surprised to see that place. Due to surprise, they looked happy to see the digging spot. Understand? The dog identified the treasure pot. Understand? Identify the treasure pot. Why were they happy? Yeah, let us learn. Because they happened to find the place full of gold and silver. The place was full of gold pieces and silver and all sorts of precious things which had been buried. So they gathered the treasure and after giving alms to the poor, bought themselves rice fields and corn fields and become wealthy people. Yeah, there was a treasure which was shown by their dog by barking. They also found the precious things which had been buried there. They were too happy to collect the treasure like silver and gold pieces. They wished to donate the money to the poor people. After collecting the treasure, first of all, they would like to give the money to the poor people as alms. And next, they were willing to develop their economical status. So they used the treasure to buy the rice fields and corn fields to become a wealthy people. Let us continue to learn the next paragraph. Listen carefully, children. Courteous. Now in their neighboring house, the greedy and stingy old couple lived there. Now in the neighboring house there dwelt a courteous and stingy old couple who, when they heard what happened, came and borrowed the dog and having taken him home, prepared a great feast for him and said, "If you please, Mr. Dog, we should be much obliged to you if you would show as a place with plenty of money in it. Understand? In the neighboring house, the greedy and stingy old couple lived there. The greedy old couple happened to hear how the kind-hearted couple, how the honest old couple could become a wealthy couple. On hearing that message, they went to borrow the dog. From the generous old couple, honest old couple. Understand, Kana? And the next one. Yeah, whom does Kim refer? Kim refers to the dog. After taking the dog to home, the greedy old couple had given the great feast to the dog. They called the dog Mr. Dog. The greedy old couple called the dog Mr. Dog. Did the generous old couple give the dog to greedy old couple? Yes, the generous old couple gave the dog to greedy old couple. Understand, Kana? They would bring to have a great obligation. to the dog, that the dog should show the place where the plenty of money had been buried. Understand, Kana? The greedy old couple requested the dog to show the spot where plenty of money had been buried. Understand? They gave a great feast to the dog, but the dog did not have anything else. Listen, the dog, however, who up to that time he had received nothing but cuffs and kicks from his coasters, would not eat any of the dainties which they set before him. So the old people began to get cross, and putting a rope around the dog's neck, let him out into the garden. Listen carefully, children. Yeah, to get cross. Yeah, but everything was waste. They gave a great feast to the dog, but the dog did not have anything else, because the greedy old couple treated the dog rudely by cuffing and kicking. Here, who was the hostess? The greedy couple were the coasters. Understand, Kana? The greedy couple got irritation. Red cross means irritation, because annoyance, because the dog did not have anything else. The greedy old couple put the rope around the dog's neck, put the rope around the dog's neck to lead the dog into the garden. But it was all in vain. Vain means waste. He let them lead him where they might. Not a sound would the dog utter. He had no bow for them. But everything was waste, because the dog did not make any sound, bow at all for them. Just the dog went where they had taken. At last, however, the dog stopped at a certain spot and began to sniff. So thinking that this must surely be the lucky place, they dug and found nothing but a quantity of dirt and nasty offal, over which they had to hold their noses. Finally, the dog stopped to bark at a particular place, and also it started sniffing the spot. The greedy old couple thought themselves the dog showed a treasure. By barking. So they decided to dig the particular place, and to find the quantity of dirt and nasty offal. Understand or not, children? There was a bad smell, so they had to cover their noses. They were too ferocious to the dog for showing the dirt. Understand? For showing the dirt. And the next one, what happened? Ferocious at being disappointed, the wicked old couple seized the dog and killed him. And the next one, what happened? Due to disappointment, the greedy old couple the greedy old couple caught the dog and killed the dog for showing the nasty apple instead of a treasure. The dog belonged to the generous old couple, but the greedy old couple borrowed the dog to borrowed the dog and killed it and killed the dog. Borrowed the dog and killed. Understand? It was fair, children? No, it was not fair, they borrowed, but they wanted to return the dog, whether if it is used or not. Let us continue to learn the story. Listen. When the good old man saw that the dog whom he had lent did not come home, he went next door to ask what had become of him. And the wicked old couple answered that he had killed the dog and buried him at the root of a pine tree. Understand? The dog belonged to the generous old couple, but the greedy old couple borrowed the dog to kill it because the dog did not show the luck place. Understand? And next one, the honest old man had to wait for some days. He did not know what happened to the dog, why the dog had not returned home. The greedy old couple did not tell anything about the dog also. The honest old man went next door means neighbor's door, to ask what happened to the dog. The wicked old man replied that he had killed the dog to bury under the pine tree. Yeah, the good old fellow did not tell anything. His mind was filled with the sadness to leave from the place. Understand or not, Kanna? What did the good honest old man ask the greedy old man in this paragraph? Here, honest old man asked greedy old man what had happened. He refers to the dog. Understand? Where did the wicked old man bury the dog? The wicked old man buried the dog under the pine tree. Which tree is mentioned in the paragraph? Pine tree is mentioned in the paragraph. Understand or not, Kana? Did the good old man scold the greedy old man, wicked old man? No, the wicked old man did not scold the greedy old man for his mischievous behavior. And the next one, with a heavy heart went to the spot, and having set out a tray with delicious food, he burnt incense and adorned the grave with flowers. As he shed tears over his last pet. Yeah, the good old fellow did not tell anything. Understand? His mind is filled with the sadness, sorrow. Understand or not, Kana? The good old man went to the pine tree where the dog had been buried. Understand, Kana? He burnt the incense stick. He decorated the dog buried place with flowers. Understand? Who burnt the incense stick? Honest old man. Who decorated the dog's buried place? The honest old man. Understand, Anakana? Who burnt the incense stick? The honest old man burnt the incense stick. Understand? Who decorated the dog's buried place? The honest old man decorated the dog's buried place. What did? Understand, Anakana? Where did honest old man decorate? The honest old man decorated the dog buried place. Understand? And he shed the tears. Understand? He shed tears for losing his pet. He prayed the dog's soul rest in peace. Who prayed the dog's soul rest in peace? The honest old man prayed the dog's soul rest in peace. Do you all understand, children? Let us learn what happened. That night, when the good old man was fast asleep in bed, the dog appeared to him. And after thanking him for all his kindness, on the night, the good old man had fallen asleep in his bed to have a dream. The dog appeared in his dream. The dog the dog told his master to cut the pine tree of his buried place and to make a mortar. Understand or not, Kana? First of all, the dog appeared in his dream to thank his master. The dog, understand or not, Kana? To thank his master, the dog gave a big gratitude to his master for his unconditional kindness. Understand? Next, the dog asked his master to think. Asked his master to think mortar as himself. Mortar as himself. Understand or not, Kana? As himself. Do you all understand the meaning? The dog appeared in his dream to tell the three things. Understand what are the things? First, the dog thanked his master for his unconditional kindness. Next, the dog asked his master to cut down the pine tree to make a mortar. Understand? Next, the dog asked his master to think mortar as himself. Understand? Three things. And the next one, let us see the magic. Let us see the magic in the next paragraph. Listen carefully, dears. Understand? Let us learn the next paragraph. The old man did as the dog had told him to do and made a mortar out of the wood of the pine tree. But when he ground his rice in it. Understand? The good old man also did what the dog had appeared to tell in his dream. He made a mortar out of the wood of the pine tree. After making it, an honest man ground his rice in it, and honest man ground his eyes in it. Each grain of the rice turned in some treasure, seed of gold. Do you all understand, children? Rice turned into some rich treasure. When the wicked old couple saw this, they came to borrow the mortar, but no sooner did they try to use it, all their rice turned into filthy. Understand? And wicked old couple happened to know that message, so they came to borrow the mortar to grind. Nothing happened to them. There was no magic. Yeah, each grain of the rice turned into filthy dirt. Filthy means dirt. When the kind-hearted couple used the mortar to grind, each grain turned into treasure. When the wicked couple used the mortar to grind, each grain turned into filth, dirt. Understand? Do you know the difference, children? But no sooner, understand, in no time at all, they came to know the message to borrow the mortar from the honest old couple. So in a fit of rage means angry, they broke the mortar and burnt it. What happened? Listen, their tension was mount up due to gaining the filthy dirty. They got angry to break and burn the mortar. That also they did not return it. Understand? Mortar also they did not return to the kind-hearted old fellows. Understand, our children? First time they borrowed the dog, they killed it to bury. Understand? Second time they borrowed the mortar, they broke to burn it. Understand or not, children? What a worst habit, fellows. Listen carefully, dears. Before going to learn the next paragraph, let us learn. Do you know dogs were domesticated from wolves? WOLF plural form, wolves. WO noun which ends F and FE, dropping F and FE, adding VES to the singular. 15,000 years ago. New evidence suggests that dogs were first domesticated in East Asia, possibly China. Over time, hundreds of breeds with great degree of variation have come into beings. Understand? There were the 100 breeds of variation have come into beings. Understand? Let us continue to learn the following paragraph. Listen carefully, children. Good old man, little suspecting that his precious mortar had been broken and burnt, wondered why his neighbors did not bring it back to him. The old couple did not have a doubt about the greedy couple. One day, the honest old man wondered himself why he hadn't returned motor. Let us learn the remaining part of the story in the next class. Up to thought, we have to discuss the 1 marks. Listen carefully to answer by yourself. First, I have to ask the question. You have to answer by yourself. I tell the answer also, children. I have to ask the question with answer. Listen carefully, dears. Where did the old couple work? The old couple worked in their garden. Understand, children? And the next one, what did the old couple find under the ground? The old couple found gold pieces and silver. And the next one, after getting the treasure, what did the old couple buy? To whom did the old couple give the money to first? Understand? The old couple wished to give the treasure to the poor people. Next, they used the money to buy the rice fields and corn fields. Understand? To become a wealthy couple. The neighboring old couple are good couple? No. Covetous and stingy. They were greedy. A covetous and stingy old couple came and borrowed dash. First time they came and borrowed the dog. Why did they come and borrow the dog from the honest old couple? Because the dog showed a precious place. Understand or not, children? And the next one, where did the greedy old couple bury the dog? Understand? The greedy old couple buried the dog under the pine tree. What did the wicked old couple find in their luck place? What did the greedy old couple find in their luck place? A quantity of dirt and nasty offal. Understand or not, children? And the next one, who killed the dog? Why did they kill the dog? The wicked old couple killed the dog. First time the narrator introduced the honest people. Neighbors were a greedy couple. After killing the dog, the narrator called the greedy people as a wicked couple. Understand or not, children? Who killed the dog? The wicked old couple killed the dog. Why did they kill the dog? Their desires did not fulfill through the dog. Understand? Did the honest old couple? What did the honest old couple feed the dog? The honest old couple feed the dog fish and tidbit from their own kitchen. Did the wicked old couple give anything to the dog? Yes, the wicked old couple gave a great feast to the dog. Did the dog eat anything else? No. If the wicked old couple had given the feast, no, the dog did not eat anything else because the dog was beaten severely by the wicked old couple. That is the reason the dog did not eat anything else. And the next one, there is a dash tree grew at the buried place of the dog, pine tree. And the next one, the honest man made a dash with the pine tree, wood of the pine tree, a mortar. And the next one, what did the honest man make with the wood of the pine tree? Mortar. And the next one, what did the honest old man grind? The honest old man grind his rice in the mortar. And the next one, what was the magic happened to the honest old man? Each grains turned into rich treasure. And the next one, dogs were domesticated from 15,000 years ago. The dogs were domesticated from dash 15,000 years ago, wolves. And the next one, what happened to the motor? The motor was burnt by the wicked old couples. Because why did they break and burn the motor? Because when they ground their rice, each rice turned into filth. Understand? That is the first and foremost reason they broke the motor and burned it. And the next one, they broke the motor and burnt it. And the next one, listen carefully, identify the character speakers. Speaker. He had a pet dog. Who had a pet dog? A honest man. He found a treasure with the help of him, the dog. Whom does he refer? The dog. Understand or not, Kana? Understand or not? And the next one, wow. The dog. They killed the dog. The wicked old couple. They adorned the dog's grave with flowers. The honest old man. Do you all understand, children? And the next one. And who called the dog Mr. Dog? The wicked old couple called the dog Mr. Dog. And the next one, listen carefully. And the next one, listen. And the next one, and why did they kill the dog? The dog did not show the precious places. They did not show the luck place. That is the reason the wicked old couple killed the dog. And the next one, listen carefully, children. And who appeared in his dream? The dog appeared in his dream. What did the dog tell his master? The dog thanked his master. First of all, the dog gave a big gratitude to his master for his unconditional love, for his unconditional kindness. Next, the dog asked his master to cut down the pine tree to make a motor of the wood of the pine tree. Understand or not, Kana? By using the motor, each grain turned into what happened? Each grain turned into treasure, rich treasure. And the next one, identify the character speaker. The old man The wicked old couple took the dog to the garden, but the dog did not show the luck place. That is the reason they got angry. They got angry to kill the dog. Do you all understand, children? Let us learn the remaining part of the story in the next class. Thank you.